Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am showing you the dangles that I have created with my latest ARRICRAFT order. I will leave links down below for everything here, as well as a $5 off coupon code. The things that I got in this last order are everything that I've used to create this beautiful dangle. So the first thing that I used was the ribbon end here, and I just very simply squeezed that on, and then I've been using these little gourd shaped like bulb pins like that in all aspects of this. So I used that on the end, and then I used one of the chains and I ran it through one of these beads. And then I've used that bead to hang everything off with another one of these special pins. And you'll see how I've attached all these fun little pieces like this fun polka dot bead that I got. And then all these gorgeous beads that I had here. There's a star one and a little bow tie one. I even used one of the pins to attach a little charm, and I put a little bead on the charm there as well. So that is super cute. And if you want to see like a way that it could be used, here's an album that I did up a while ago. And let's say I just wanted to create a little dangle for the side of an album. Now look at that. Like, isn't that just gorgeous? I mean, there's so many ways that you can use this, but I think that that is really one fun way. So I've created a couple of different ones here. So here's another one. This was the one that was all in pink, and this is the star of the show, really. I love these little faces on these like transparent pick-shaped charms. They're just gorgeous. And again, I used my little pins to attach this little butterfly, and then to attach a fun little charm, and a couple of beads on this one, and that same ribbon attachment at the top. Now I've created another type here. So what I did for this one is I actually used paper to come across the top. And so what I did was I just cut like 2-inch, folded it at 1 inch, came in with my punch and punched the little pattern. Then I stitched the ribbon. It's in like both sides. You can see it's on both sides there. So I stitched the ribbon across. So that's the fun little part that I've created for this dangle that's a little unique. And like you could actually create a whole paper strand if you wanted to. I just love this ribbon. I got it originally from Hobby Lobby, and I've kind of been hoarding this gorgeous ruffled ribbon. This time I took some of those pins to kind of pull in this color here of the green acetate, and then I've put pink bulbs, and I've done like a symmetrical sort of pattern there where I've done a star and then 2 circles on each side. And again, I've used this as an anchor to hang them from. So that's super fun. And then here's another example of how to use these ribbon ends. You can actually put ribbons on the end of one of these little pieces, and then this link here to dangle this fun little keychain. So it has all kinds of beads and charms. Again, I use those pins to attach some fun pink beads. You can see all the little parts of that there. That's that. And then I have one more album. So I can show you, I added one of these to my October daily. One of those little charms, again, with this orange pin. One of those, just really enjoying that. So that adds a whole other fun bit of color to the dangle off the side of this album. And yeah, I really love these pieces. All go so well together. I have used every single thing that I ordered from them, all in the same creations, which is fantastic. And like I have so much stuff left. Like I have unlimited amounts of beads and things. Like everything you see was a whole one package. I can link my video here if you want to see the unboxing for everything that it was. But I'm so happy with everything and had a lot of fun with it. Another thing that I was thinking that I could do with these pins is come in and take like a pom-pom and just sort of string one of them through one of these pins. So that's like another way that you could add a fun element to these little charms here. Another fun little embellishment on there. See how cute that is? Like just so many fun things that you can do. I just got inspired because these were sitting on my desk as I was filming, and I'm like, oh, I could just have some pom-poms in there. And that would look really cute. And it does. It looks totally cute. So you could hang this off of any number of projects, like a pocket letter or a purse. So many different fun things. So I'm going to have fun using these creations that I've done up here. But thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that if you like to watch crafty type videos. I have lots more coming. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again next time.